Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone!